Hey everyone, good morning and welcome to Real MC Garage. In today's episode, we're going to install Yoshimura's $500 RS-2 slip-on exhaust on our 2026 XR150L Dual Sport. $3,400 for the Dual Sport, $569 for the RS-2. Is it going to make this bike bark a little bit more? Let's find out right now. All right, everyone, there it is, Yoshimura's RS-2 slip-on style muffler for this XR150L. This is about $560, $570 for this bike. It's going to increase a little bit of power, take about 2 pounds off that 280 some pound XR150L. Here's inside the packaging, some really high quality packaging. These Yoshimura mufflers and all exhaust systems are made right here in the United States of America in Southern California. Here's some easy to use instructions. You take a picture and on your phone and the instructions populate. We even have an exhaust plug so when you wash your motorcycle, some hardware. It's a pretty simple unit. We have this mid pipe and this muffler right here. Again, Yoshimura kills it with the packaging. Everything is super high quality and nice. No hack BS. That's the Yoshimura touch. You get something that's really, really ultra high quality. Let's pull out this muffler. As you can see, this muffler is very well packaged. And here it is, folks, RS-2. Look how tasty this thing looks. Let's get the show on the road and get this pipe installed in this bike. Well, everyone, this could be the easiest install ever made. We just have to loosen this 10mm bolt and this whole side fairing comes off, and voila, here's the muffler, here's that mid pipe. We're gonna have to remove this bolt, and this bolt, and we should be done. A really simple and fast change, so let's get to work. And just like that, folks, we've got these bolts loosened. Let's get this dang thing off and get the next muffler on there. And voila, just like that, we have the OE muffler off. All right, so far the hardest part of this install was getting that OE exhaust gasket off. It's not meant to be removed, so we had to physically remove it because this Yoshimura mid pipe note does not need that. So now we're gonna install this. Let's go. All right, everyone, look at that thing. It is that easy. Let's get this little washer right between this area. Oh, we dropped it. Okay, everyone, so far so good. We got that mid pipe installed, OE bolt supplied, clamp from Yoshimura. Now it's time to put the muffler on. So it includes this rubber gasket, O-ring bracket, grommet thing that you put on top of the muffler, and then these two washers. Again, the instructions are super easy. Use your smartphone to take a picture of the QR code, and then you can print out the instructions or just follow along on your phone. The choice is yours. All right, everyone, we've got our washer, awesome aluminum spacer, grommet, another washer, and supplied Yoshimura bolt. Now it's time to tighten this up and put this back nut on here, right here, and we are good to go. The cool thing about these Yoshimura slip-ons or full exhaust is they use a lot of the OE hardware when applicable, and they also include their supplied hardware when needed too, and their fasteners are super high quality. You have to remember, Yoshimura does OE fitment for bikes like Honda's XR150L Works Edition, so their quality is second to none in the motorcycle exhaust world. And look at that, we have this muffler on, and just like Yoshimura says, 2 pounds lighter than the stock muffler, which was really heavy. Let's look at the stock muffler. Here's the 2 pound heavier stock muffler. Look how crappy this thing looks, and look how awesome this RS-2 made in America Yoshimura slip-on muffler looks. Now let's button this thing up and see what it sounds like. All right, everyone, let's put these exhaust springs on, facing the right way. Of course, there's the Yoshimura Japanese insignia and logo. Yoshimura comes with this cool little tool that you can use to put those springs on. These tools are awesome. They ship with every exhaust. They're super handy, and you're gonna definitely want to keep it because you're gonna use it time and time again on every motorcycle. Whenever you put an exhaust on it. All right, we got the logos facing the right way. Now the last step, very important, is we didn't wear gloves, and even if you do wear latex gloves, you want to wipe down this header, this mid pipe and muffler with some rubbing alcohol to make sure that you have no fingerprints or oils on there. That way when the exhaust heats up, it'll have a nice golden color that looks super trick. Another pro tip is routinely after you ride the motorcycle, you want to wipe this thing down with alcohol just to keep this muffler from getting any stains. You want it to look super awesome for all of eternity. So now it's time to wipe it down. All right, everyone, we're here in our proving grounds, secret proving grounds, and now it's time for the moment of the truth. time to start this XR150L and see and hear how good this RS2 slip-on exhaust from Yoshimura R&D out of the United States is. Let's thumb the starter. Whoa, whoa. She's carbureted, so she's a little bit cold-blooded, but so far so good. Well, everyone, I'd say we did pretty good. And this is one heck of an upgrade to an already awesome dual sport bike. As always, to find out more, surf on over to moto-1.com, and we'll see you. We'll see you in the next episode. Have a ride.